on a painted sky, where the clouds are hung for the poet's eye. You may find him if you may find him there on a distant shore, by the wings of dreams, through an open door. You may know him